One of the new enhancements in the newly released 9.2 of the Tycho software is the ability to choose the star extraction mode for the plate solver. So 99.9% of the time, the plate solver works just great with no issues. However, there are some circumstances in which, especially if you have a smaller sized image or an image with fewer stars, you might encounter a scenario in which it just simply doesn't work. So version 9.2 attempts to fix that, and this is by way of a new star extraction mode. So if we look at this image here, which has been provided to me by another Tycho user, it is on the smaller side. It has dimensions of 600 by 390 pixels, and it looks like there might have been some kind of compression. The background noise is a little bit different than what you might be accustomed to seeing. But either way, if we try to plate solve it with the default settings, then it will simply fail. So here are these default settings here, and if I click start, it has extracted 56 stars, and with that information, it simply won't work. It will go through the process and it will time out. So knowing that that's the case, I'm going to go ahead and abort it. And instead, I will now try the new star extraction mode. So this is what I call extended mode. So I click start, and you'll notice we've gone from 56 to 122 stars extracted. And in fact, it's already found a solution. So again, online plate solver, very fast, and it works great, especially if it has sufficient stars to work with. So plate solving has finished. So if I go ahead and reload the image, you can see that indeed the plate solve was successful, and that is as indicated by these blue rectangles. So again, this is a nice feature to have, and it's especially useful for those who might typically work with smaller sized images or images that have fewer stars. So you could simply use this feature and set extraction mode to extended and leave it that way for all of your images if you wanted to. Otherwise, if the default setting works great, then you could use that operation instead. So anyway, that's another enhancement for version 9.2 that I thought I would point out. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.